everybody, my name is Hunter's World Gaming and welcome to Let's Play Errors in OS Remastered. Well, if you haven't seen me playing Errors in OS 2, well now you know there is a remastered one out now on Nichio by Kiro Ramy. So he told me like a lot of times to play this. So I thought I should do that for my dedicated bros, shall we? Let's start. That was completely odd. Whatever that was. Well, alright, I know where this is going, but goddamn. Well, this is gonna get messed up now. Kiro Error.
We interrupt your computer session to bring
what?
Kiro Error. Kiro was killed by Barney. Lucky, there is no bomb explode. This is 100% important. Do not turn off your computer. If you do, I will be mad at you.
Excuse me. It's an explosion, not explode. Okay, no, never mind that. Guys, whatever you do, don't turn off your computer. You need to listen to me. So, good luck.
I knew that dramatic sound effect was coming as I pressed start game. And that I hate that sound, that dramatic one. Because it's kind of a cliche. Since, like, mouse pointer beats inversion. So, neither way, chance 3 it is. So, I'll power off.
Hey, I see you turn off your computer. Looks like you didn't understand. Okay then, your chances is now 2. Now I'm not turning it on off again.
Smiling a little bit, you see that? Wow, a little bit of a grin right there.
Huh? Excuse me?
You
turn off once again. That's it. If you turn it off one more time, then you will see what's gonna happen right now.
Okay, it's getting yellow now. It's all golden. Kind of remind me like Illusion, by the way.
Oh my god.
Oh my god! Dude, you don't have to do that!
Wait, not yet. So I'll give you...
Yes! I got the extra chances right there, man! Oh, damn, glitch the error. Okay, there we go. There we go. Now it's starting to glitch the error right now.
If you turn off your computer one more time, then you will be grounded. I dare you to do it.
Okay, power. Oh, Jesus Christ. Why do you keep doing that? Don't even give me a chance.
Now I will scare you.
Fuck you, Jesus Christ. Stop it now. Well then. Oh, your computer is never ever. Please buy a new one. Oh, well, actually, party ever then. Well, dildo. Well, that was my first shot at Errors in OS Remastered then. Right? Oh, I will never play that game again because of that dramatic sound effect. Keeps going off like shit right now. And that is so overused. This game is so overused. Neither way. Well, guys, so that was Errors in OS Remastered then. I'm glad I really enjoyed this one. Well, I think, yeah. Thank you all for watching on Kiro Error. That was basically a really great game, eh? Right? Okay, guys, well, I hope you all enjoyed this video, my dedicated bros, and make sure to leave a like, rate, comment, share, subscribe, and stay determined. Then we'll see you then very, very soon. Goodbye, everyone.